Hey guys, it's Shannon. So I get a lot of questions about how do you apply your stencils. So today, if you're joining me from my Etsy shop because you've either come across my stencils or have purchased my stencils, thank you so much. Supporting small business also supports families, so I can't thank you enough for finding me. If you are a regular everyday follower of me on my YouTube channel, hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna get started. I'm going to show you how to easily apply stencils. So let's get started. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to apply stencils. So if you order something from my Etsy shop, it'll probably come looking like this. So basically, once you have your stencil weeded out and transfer tape put on top, it will look like this. You're also going to need a squeegee like this one, and if you don't have a squeegee, you can use a popsicle stick or a credit card, something hard and flat so that you can work with your stencil. So make sure you press down to make sure all the pieces of your stencil are stuck to the top transfer tape. Then you're just going to peel back a corner. You're going to peel that clear plastic away from the white paper backing. So it will look like this. And then your blue stencil should come up with it, just like this. Now, if you have a piece that's still stuck to the white and it doesn't come up with your transfer tape, you just lay your sheet back down, repress with your squeegee or your popsicle stick, and then peel that top transfer sheet away until you have all the pieces transferred to this top clear sheet. Once that is done, you can discard this. You don't need this white paper anymore. And then you simply place your stencil onto your project. So whether it is wood or ceramic or glass, there's all kinds of different projects you can make with these stencils. You do not have to use a coffee mug. So you just want to center it and kind of lightly press it on to make sure that you have it placed where you want it before you go back with your squeegee to apply it fully. So what I like to do is start in the middle and work my way out. If you have a flat surface, again, just work from the middle and work your way out. If you have a curved surface like this coffee mug, you can cut little slits in it to kind of help the stencil form to the curve of the mug or the glass that you're using. But this one's not too bad, so we're not going to do that on here. But all you want to do is just take your squeegee and press down. You want to get out all of the air bubbles. You do not want any air bubbles, especially up right against where the weeded out area or your wording or your design is, because if you have any air bubbles, you're going to get leaking or bleeding of your paint or ink, whatever you're using for your project. So you don't want wrinkles, you don't want bubbles, you really want to press all the way around your design. Now if there's bubbles on the outside, that's okay, as long as it's not up against your design. You do not want that. So once you have your full design pushed onto your surface, then you're going to come back and you're going to peel this top clear sheet off. And what will happen is sometimes it'll take a little bit to get it started, so your blue may peel off with the top transfer sheet, and that is okay. All you want to do is sort of peel back a corner, hold down your stencil, and then peel the plastic away. This is not a super fast, quick thing. You have to have a little bit of patience and work with it. It's really no big deal though if you just take your time and get it started. See, once it gets started, then your clear plastic should easily come off the rest of your stencil, just like this. And this is a completely transferred design. Now, if you'd like to see beyond this how to add ink to this to create a mug, I will link that at the end of this video as well as in the description box. And then it's just as easy as adding paint to this or ink to this, letting it dry, and then you'll go back and you'll peel off the blue and you'll be left with the design that is underneath it. I hope hope this video helped clear up some of those questions about how to apply stencils. If you have any more questions for me, leave those down in the comments below. I'd love to help you out down there. Also, take a second to give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you these quick tips for you and hopefully answer more questions in the future. And also hit subscribe. I do DIY tutorials every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can hit the bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. Find me over on social media. You can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, and I will see you all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.